To sign "What did you get for Christmas" in BSL, we need to change the order of that sentence around so it's more of a BSL sentence. First, we're going to sign Christmas, as that's the time, so Christmas. Then we're going to sign get, so it's an open hand with your palm facing up, and then close your hand, bringing it into your body. Get. And then we're going to sign what, which is the question which goes at the end of most sentences in BSL. What? That's an index finger extended, just moving from side to side. And as it's a question, we want to furrow our eyebrows. What? So in BSL, we would sign Christmas, get, what? Let me know.